Hi and welcome to another unboxing. In this one we have a baked-in unicorn cake baking kit. It just says just add milk, eggs and butter, so everything should be in this kit. It's all in a good sized box. It's just get the ruler right around. It's about 24 centimeters by 23 centimeters with a depth of about 9 centimeters. It's a good sized package. It says it includes dry ingredients, tins and baking paper. It makes 4 coloured layers and just add milk, eggs and butter. And on the side here we have ingredients and also the recipe and cooking instructions. On the sides we've got the box, so it looks like it just slides out. And on the back we've got made in Britain, no waste, less fuss. So let's slide this out and see what we've got. There we go. Let's check the back. Oh, here we go. So on the back we've got what is in the kit, hopefully. So we've got a red cake mix, yellow cake mix, orange and green, icing sugar, straws, lollipop sticks, toppers, sprinkles, butter measure, round stickers, a testing skewer, 4 baking tins and a cake board. It's a pretty comprehensive kit. So let's have a look inside. We just lift the flap here. There we go. Right. So we have baked-in unicorn cake recipe card. All on the back, there we go. So it says you will need 4 medium eggs, 500 grams of butter, 90 ml of milk. 40 minutes preparation, 20 to 25 minutes to bake, 30 minutes to decorate, and serves between 12 to 24. Don't worry, this is just purely an unboxing to see what's inside. I'm not an expert maker, so I won't be going through baking tutorials. Just to see what you get in the kit. Right, so these must be the straws and lollipop sticks, and you can see the skewer there as well. There's the butter measure and the toppers, all nicely sealed. Then we've got icing colouring, I think that one. There's your sprinkles. There's your baking tins or trays, baking trays. 1, 2, 3, 4. And a cake board. And then at the bottom we've got, that's the red cake mix, orange cake mix. Each bag is numbered. Bag 3, so that's the yellow cake mix. Bag 4 is the green cake mix. And then the large bag here is the icing sugar. So there it is, and all in this nice cardboard box. Pop those back in reverse so you can see again what was in the kit. There goes the baking trays, sprinkles, icing mix and toppers, straws, skewers, lollies, etc., lollipop sticks, and the recipe card. There we go, a nice kit. So I hope you enjoyed a quick look at the kit there, so you can see exactly what you get. If you enjoyed, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more unboxings. Thanks for watching.